ever seen a smart sensor that can measure your water quality every single second? It's amazing technology, but here's the catch. Most of us aren't engineers. When you see a number like 0.2 milligrams per liter on a screen, what does it even mean? Is that good? Is it bad? Is it something I should worry about? For real-time monitoring to actually be useful in our homes, all that complicated data needs to be turned into simple, clear decisions. You see, every number the sensor spits out represents something specific about your water. pH levels can tell you if the water is corrosive or stable. Conductivity shows how many dissolved minerals are in it. And residual disinfectant levels indicate how well it's protected from microbes. But honestly, you shouldn't have to be a chemist to know if your water is safe. What you really need to know is the implication. Can I drink this? Is it okay for cooking? Can I use it to wash my face? This is where data interpretation becomes so important. It's the bridge that turns raw measurements into real-world actions. The easiest way to communicate water safety is by using thresholds. Think of it like a traffic light. For every parameter being measured, there are defined ranges. Optimal, which is green light, everything's great. Acceptable, which is yellow, it's okay, but maybe not perfect. And critical, which is a red light, meaning you need to take action. These ranges aren't just pulled out of thin air. They're based on official health standards, operational limits, and even comfort criteria like taste and smell. So when a measurement crosses one of these thresholds, the system doesn't just show you a confusing number. Instead, it gives you a clear recommendation. This is how continuous monitoring transforms into real-time practical guidance. It's like having a water expert right there with you, 24/7. But looking at individual parameters one by one rarely gives you the complete picture. It's like trying to understand a movie by only watching one scene. That's why a composite water quality index is so brilliant. It takes all those different measurements, pH, conductivity, disinfectant levels, and more, and combines them into one single, simplified score. This score gives you a holistic view of your water, reflecting its chemical safety, its potential to fight off microbes, and even its aesthetic quality, like clarity and taste. As a user, all you see is one number or a simple rating that tells you the overall condition of your drinking water. All the complexity is hidden behind the scenes, but your awareness is perfectly preserved. It's simplicity without sacrificing accuracy. Now, a measurement is pretty meaningless without context. For example, a low disinfectant level in your pipes in the middle of the night might just mean the water has been sitting still for a while, which is totally normal. But that same low reading during the morning rush, when everyone is showering and making coffee, could signal a real problem with the water supply system. Smart interpretation takes all of this into account. It considers the time of day, how much water you've been using recently, and even the seasonal temperature. This intelligent context prevents false alarms and stops you from worrying unnecessarily. It's about being smart, not just sensitive. And let's be real, all measurements have some level of uncertainty. Sensors can drift over time, conditions can change in an instant, and calibration isn't always perfect. Instead of trying to hide this fact, the best systems are upfront about it. They communicate their confidence levels. Not with technical jargon, but with simple reliability indicators. They'll let you know if a result is highly reliable, if it needs verification, or if a piece of equipment requires maintenance. Trust is built on transparency. When a system is honest about its limitations, you're more likely to trust it when it tells you everything is okay. We also have to remember that good water quality isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. The needs of an infant are very different from those of a healthy adult. Elderly residents might have different sensitivities, and some people have skin that reacts to things others don't even notice. Truly smart systems can adapt their interpretation based on user profiles. This means the exact same water flowing from your tap could be flagged as acceptable for cleaning, but not recommended for drinking without filtration for a baby in the house. This creates personalized water safety, tailored to the specific needs of your family. It's about making sure the water is right for you. When people finally understand what's going on with their water, they start to change their behavior in positive ways. They learn the best times to flush their pipes to get the freshest water. They know exactly when to replace their water filters for maximum effectiveness, not just guessing based on a calendar. Most importantly, they learn when they can truly trust the water coming out of their tap. This simple understanding leads to incredible benefits. It reduces water waste because you're not flushing pipes unnecessarily. It lowers energy consumption. And, of course, it minimizes health risks. The data becomes a powerful tool for building sustainable, healthy habits into your daily life. Ultimately, all the data in the world is useless if no one can understand it. But water data only becomes powerful when it's accessible and meaningful to everyone, not just scientists and engineers. By turning complex numbers into simple, actionable insights, we can empower every single person to take control of their health and well-being. It's about making technology work for us, making our lives safer and simpler. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos that break down complex topics into simple ideas. See you next time.